How to use HUTT C7. Stretch the bound edge of the wiping cloth and put it on from the inside of the turntable. After half of the wiping cloth is put on, press both sides gently with your hand and stretch and put on the remaining wiping cloth. In the same way, stretch the wiping cloth and put it on the inside of the other turntable. Press both sides and stretch and put on the remaining wiping cloth. Turn over the machine body. We can see that there are still places that are not properly put on. At this time, we can smooth the wiping cloth along the turntable. Open the water tank cover. Fill cleaning solution or clean water into the water tank with a water bottle. Pour it into the water tank and plug the tank stopper tightly. Check if there is no leakage. Connect the power cord of the machine body to the adapter. Connect the power cord of the plug to the adapter. Insert the power cord into a powered socket. Hang the safety rope buckle on a solid, reliable, and immovable object. When fixing, it is advisable to wind it around 1 or 2 more times appropriately. Press and hold the start button for 3 seconds to turn on the machine. Place the machine on the glass far from the window frame. After confirming that the machine is absorbed on the glass, press the circular start button for 1 second. Briefly, the machine starts to work. After starting to work, and when operating indoors, the machine will start to automatically move upward to the vertex position. Then it will move to the left. Finally, it will reach the upper left corner of the window. Then it will wipe the window from top to bottom in an S-shaped path, depending on the shape of the glass. The machine will take either the lower left corner or the lower right corner of the glass as the end point of wiping. After completing the work, the machine will return to the starting position. If dry wiping mode is needed, directly press the water spray switch button on the remote control to turn off the water spray function. Pressing it again can turn it on. Press the direction keys on the remote control. The machine will move to the corresponding direction until the end. And when walking in a single up, down, left, or right direction, there is no water spray. Press the X1 key and the machine will wipe again. Press the pad key and the machine will wipe downward along the path from the current position. Press the circular cleaning key and the machine will perform fixed point cleaning. After the machine stops working, hold the machine and press and hold the start button. After the machine operation sound becomes smaller, remove the machine. Precautions for using HUTT C7. Do not use it on cracked or damaged glass, and use it in an environment where the window frame width is at least 6 mm. Please confirm that the glass size is larger than 30 cm. Check whether the environment is ultra-narrow frame, beveled frame, ultra-thin frame, beveled glass, frameless glass, or if there are abnormal environments such as uneven, raised, leaking, or gaping glass glue. Do not use this product on glass with existing cracks, advertising papers and bumps to avoid risks such as glass breakage and product dropping. If the remote control malfunctions, pull the safety rope against the glass and slowly pull the machine back to a position within reach, and then remove the machine. If the machine cannot be reached after the wiping work is completed, first use the remote control to make the machine move to a position convenient for picking by hand, and then remove the machine. Do not place the machine on the ground after use. If there are particles and other substances on the ground and they stick to the wiping cloth, when used again, the particles can easily scratch the glass. Cleaning and maintenance of HUTT C7. Remove the cleaning wiping cloth. Soak it in clean water at around 20 degrees centigrade for 2 minutes. Then clean it with a soft bristle brush. Do not rub or wring it out. Let it air dry naturally before using it again. For the bottom suction port, wipe it clean with a dry cloth to avoid damage to the product's suction force. If the machine cannot spray water in the wet wiping mode when turned on, it is considered that the nozzle of the machine is blocked and needs to be replaced. First, clamp the balloon nozzle part with pliers and directly pull off the nozzle. Find a new nozzle from the packaging, accessories, and press it directly for installation. After using the machine, please drain all the water in the water tank. Replace the used wiping cloth with a clean and dry wiping cloth, or store it without putting on the wiping cloth. After the machine works in the wet wiping mode, it can be placed in a dry, ventilated, and cool place to disperse the moisture inside the machine for 1 to 2 days.